everyone and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you how to get this spring makeup look. You can really wear this any time of the year, but I really love these type of colors for spring. It's just really glowy and like peachy. So if you would like to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep watching. Starting with my Tartelette in Bloom palette, I'm going to go in with Sweetheart just on a fluffy brush. I'm going to apply this in my crease. I'm going to start blending it up towards my brow just to get a nice fade. Next, taking Jet Setter from the palette, just on a bit of a smaller brush, I'm just going to apply this to my crease as well. Going back with that previous fluffy brush and just blending the two together. So next I'm going to take a concealer. I'm just going to use this to kind of cut the crease, but just really subtle. Taking that concealer, I'm just going to start applying this to my lid. So I'm going to bring that kind of past my inner corner because I really want this whole area to be nice and bright and highlighted. I'm just going to soften the edge with my finger. So this is the Inglot Partylicious Creamy Pigment Shadow. So this one's called Night Out. It's number 706. Taking that on a small flat brush, I'm going to go in with this. And this is a really creamy eyeshadow, so you just need a little bit or a lot. And just start pressing this over the top. Next I'm taking my Too Faced Sweethearts blush and I'm just going to kind of mix all of these colours together. So I'm just going to tap this over the edge and just kind of blend it in. So next going in with, so I'm taking that on a small detailed brush. This is the Sigma E36, which is really good for just placing the colour where you want it. So I'm just putting it in my outer V. I'm going to bring it slightly up into the crease. So I'm going to apply my lashes from Model Rock. These are the style 259. So we're going to finish off the rest of the face now. So I'm taking my Dose of Colours concealer and I'm just going to highlight as usual. So under my eyes. And I'm going to blend this out with my beauty blender. And I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder to bake under my eyes. And just with whatever's left in my lid, which is hardly anything, I'll just go into that. I'm just going to like kind of set my face because I don't want this to be a really matte look. I want it to be quite natural and like glowy. So while that is sitting under my eyes, I'm gonna bronze up my face. So I'm gonna use my Milani Baked Bronzer. I always go back to this bronzer in the spring and summertime. So this is number 05 Soleil. I love this bronzer. It just gives like a nice healthy glow to the skin and it's like a bronzy color. So just using a fluffy brush, I'm just going to apply a little bit of this all over. Using my Shade and Light palette, I'm just going to use this contour. Just a little bit because this is really pigmented. I'm just going to contour. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this. So I'm going to take a little bit of this yellow powder from the contour kit and I'm just going to use that to help sweep off the powder. And as you can see, it brightens at the same time, so I love that. . Just going to apply that to all the areas that I highlighted. Using my Too Faced blush, and this is so pretty. I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks. So taking my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter, I'm just going to take a little bit and apply this. Finishing off my lower lash line, I'm going to go into Sweetheart and just apply this on a fluffy brush. So next, taking a pencil brush, I'm going to take a little bit of Rebel. I'm just going to apply this to the outer half. Alright, so that is the completed eye look. So I just applied a nude to my waterline and I did my lower lash mascara. So I'm going to finish off my lips. So I'm using my Colourpop Lippy Pencil in BFF. I think I need to sharpen this, it's like scratchy. I'm using Gerard Cosmetics Buttercup to fill in my lips. Just going to pat this on just a little. So I'm going to top this off with my Dose of Colours lip gloss called Happy Hour. So it's like a nice peachy colour. So here is the completed makeup look. This is how it turned out. I didn't do a liner today because I love the way the eyeshadow shows through when you're not wearing a liner and just like long wispy lashes like this. So here is how the makeup turned out. I really hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun creating this look. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!